we are perhaps 20, 25 people who come here on regular basis. So not every Sunday or not every week, but for sesshin, for example. And what you see here, this is our kesa room, where are all the kesas and the safutons. And because we rent the dojo, we have to put our altar and the drums and the bell, we have to put them there. So everything is on wheels.
Yes, I saw that, yeah.
That we can move it. Wheels and the drum wheels. Now, this is the dojo, as you see. This is our altar, which is very small because Pierre advised us that it's very good when the master sitting on the chair, his master's chair, has a view to all his disciples. They can look through and they can see all monks or practitioners, and you cannot hide nowhere. And what I can tell you more. Now, the people sit like they sit here. Here we have our beautiful kitchen with Bob cleaning the dishes.
As usual, as always.
As you know, we have a sesshin. As you see, everything is a little in use. So, and outside, you see our beautiful garden with people happy in Samu and drinking coffee, talking with the masters. We even have two masters this weekend. Paula from Göteborg and Pierre from Barcelona. As you see, left we have Master Sokovo and Master Raikiko.
Yeah, okay.
What more? This is our beautiful garden. You see the backyard of our house. There is entrance. You see the wood. Here's the wood. Toilet. And down here it's a changing room from the underground where you can put your kimono in your clothes. Here. And there is a lot of yoga stuff because we rent the dojo regularly, nearly every day in the week to pay our rent.
How much do they? How big part of the rent do they contribute?
I don't know. I think nearly 60-70%, something like this, is paid by the people who rent the dojo, and perhaps 30% from our practitioners.
Impressive.
Now it's a little chaotic because there are so many clothes and so on. But we are in the middle of the sesshin. Now I can show you the front part outside. Here is the entrance of the dojo.
Yeah.
And now you're in the middle of Amsterdam. This is the window. This is it.
Thank you very much, Florian.
You're welcome. Come.
So bad for you.
I make a little reportage on your dojo. Maybe you can say one word about the course you're doing, no? The attendees.
Yeah, they attend the course we gave here. The
yeah.
course. Yeah.
It's one course or it's over several weeks or?
No, it's 5 weeks.
5-week course.
5-week course, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they do that then right at the beginning or?
Yeah, we start sesshin from the first course.
Okay.
We explain the posture, the breathing, kinin, state of mind, Zen and daily life, and Kyosaku, of course.
Yeah, he asked this guy. I tell him to the gas show, and then he didn't understand very well. It was a bit.
Yeah, you were Kyosaku.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm filming.
Salade.